What if I told you that there's a way that you can make $4 every single minute? Imagine all the things you could do with that kind of money. You could get your dream home, go on your dream vacation, or buy your dream car. It doesn't all have to be a dream though. You can turn those dreams into reality with this money-making method. It's a passive income stream that can help you earn thousands of dollars in just a month. This is a really easy way to make money, so stay tuned with me until the very end of this video to find out exactly how you can do it. This is a completely free money-making method, so you won't need to spend any of your own money to be able to get started. You might need to spend your mom's though. Just messing with you. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you know exactly how to get set up on this platform, and in no time, you can watch the money roll in.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.
Now, let's get into it, my dudes. So the first money-making platform that we're gonna tackle today is UOU.io. Wow, that's a mouthful. Anyways, this website basically shortens links that you give it. So one of the cool things about this platform is that you can make money for shortening a link. Sound a bit weird? Well, it's true. UOU.io pays really good money just for you to shorten links. It doesn't need to be any specific type of link, it can just be any link in general. Shorten a link and then get paid when someone clicks on your shortened link. Pretty easy, right? Now, you may think it sounds too good to be true and are wondering how it actually works. So basically, UOU.io has you shorten links, and when your friends or family click on them, they see an ad before arriving at the page of the link that you shared. So since UOU.io gets paid for showing an ad, they give you a cut of what they earn because you were the one that drove traffic. So as I said earlier, any link will do. They don't ask for any types of websites in particular, so when you head over to UOU.io, this is what the website looks like. If you scroll through the homepage, it'll actually tell you how to use the site and all of that good stuff. So one of the best things about this platform is that it pays higher than its competitors. Even if you're a loner and don't have anyone following you on social media that clicks on your links that you share, which I feel you're paying by the way, you can still make money on here. Another upside to this platform is that one person can click on the link multiple times and each click counts as a separate view. That being said, you could have hundreds of views in no time. Even if only your mom follows you on social media where you share the link, she could click on the link a million times and it would count towards your cash out. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Anyways, let's get into how you can get started. Right here you can see a sign up button. See it? If not, you probably need glasses, which I wear glasses, so I feel you there. Now, you should be on a registration page that looks like this. Just fill in the page with your personal information, make up a password, agree to UOU.io's terms, and then hit this right here. So once your account is up and running, not walking, you should be able to log in and then find your dashboard that looks like this right here. If you've made it this far into the video, feel free to comment any questions you might have down below in the comment section. I love being able to help you guys out, so I'd love to hear from you. Anyways, on your dashboard you can see how much cash you've made so far, and obviously you haven't started sharing links, so as of the moment this number right here should be 0. But if you have more than that without having done anything, then you've been blessed by the UOU.io gods. See where it says CPM right here? So basically that shows how much you earn every time that someone clicks on the link that you've shared. So you can think of it as your cost per click. Pretty good, right? So the higher that number is, the more money you'll earn. This is a really great opportunity for you to earn really good money. Need to know how to get your shortened link? Well, of course you do, because how else are you gonna make money off of here? Anywho, you just need to click on this new shortened link thingy right here. Now you should see a box that looks like this. See it? And in that box, you're gonna wanna paste the link that you want shortened. Uh-oh, looks like you're missing something. What's that, you ask? Well, a link to shorten, silly. I know that you came here for all of the insider tips so that you can max out your earning potential, right? So you may be wondering, what kind of links should I share to be able to make the most money? Well, I have just the pointer for you. You should shorten YouTube links. So YouTube is all the rage and pretty much everybody uses it, so people will definitely click on your link. For the sake of this video today, I'm going to share YouTube videos that are TikTok compilations. TikTok is really trendy nowadays, especially with the youngins, so a lot of people will click on your link because it's a YouTube video and because it's a compilation of TikToks. It's a win-win. So now just head over to YouTube, type TikTok compilations into the search box, and look for a video that you want to share. Simple as that. Now you just copy the link, and once you have it, paste it into uou.io to get the shortened link. Now you have the option to pick an alias, and this can be added to a part of your link, and now you should be able to share your shortened link. You can do this with as many videos as you want, and the more you do, the more money you can earn. You can also try looking for videos of different genres that would appeal to different groups of people, just so that you can play the field and see where you can make more money. Now that you've got an idea of how that works, you're ready to move on to the next few steps.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Let's get back into it. So you shortened all of those links in the hopes that they'd get treated equally, right? So you want all of them to have the same fighting chance. The best way to even the playing field is to create a landing page where you can have all of your links displayed together. Creating a landing page is really easy, just head over to Linktree. So this website helps you create a page where you can put all of your links up together. This helps add to your chances of earning more money. Everyone that clicks on your Linktree will then be brought to a page with all of your shortened links, and they might end up clicking on more than one of your shortened links. It just makes everything a lot easier for the people looking for your links. So to get started with Linktree, you're gonna go to create a free account by clicking right here. Now you just give them an email address, a username, password, and then agree to the terms and conditions, and congratulations, you can get started. Now once your account is up and running and you go to your dashboard, you should see the option to create a landing page right here. So you're just gonna go ahead and click on that. Now you can paste all of your shortened links and then type a bit of a description about where each link leads, just so that people kind of know what they're clicking on. I mean, you wouldn't just click on some random link not knowing where it's gonna take you, right? After doing all of that, your landing page should be ready to go, and you can see what your landing page looks like just by clicking right here. Do you see it? Good. So now that all of that is ready, you're gonna want to direct traffic towards your landing page, because how else are you gonna get clicks? So now you just need to copy the link of your landing page so that you can share it, and now you can share the link on anywhere that you think you'd find people that are interested in the YouTube videos that you've chosen. So you can share the link on Facebook for your friends and family to see, or you could tweet it out to all of your followers. Since you've chosen TikTok compilations, you could even share your link on TikTok for people to be able to watch multiple TikToks in one sitting without needing to touch their phone. So just share your link wherever you can, because obviously the more traffic you get, the more money you get, and that's what you want, right? Right. Anyways, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you learned something new.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.